You gotta have the moon straight. You gotta the moon.
I'm going that way. The moon. The moon, Connor.
I don't know her.
Get a moon boot. Ow. Moon cut. Get the moon. The moon is fear in me.
We're gonna save up our money before we leave.
Save our moony.
President Mooner won't let us in.
A moon is.
We're building a
The
space
United States of Moonica.
Yeah, we're building a space shuttle right now. This is gonna take more than 2 hours.
Come on, we got time limit. What are you doing?
You know what? I'm trying
Just
to...
live a little list. I'll figure it out.
To-do list.
Here's a bed, here's a grill. Just gotta tighten all the bolts.
Present now, put it
Can't
together.
stress enough. Don't put it in the windy area.
You might want to tie it down or something.
Connor. Connor's got it. Oh. What?
Ready? Ding, dang, dong, bang.